Hey folks, ready to dive into the fascinating world of spices with me? We're talking about flavors that have spiced up dishes for centuries, rediscover culinary history, and add unique dimensions to our cooking. It's like finding a treasure chest of flavor in your grandma's attic. Spices were like gold, traded along ancient routes, used for medicinal purposes, religious ceremonies, and even as currency. Some spices fell out of favor, replaced by trendier options, but their stories and their flavors are worth rediscovering. So, get ready to dust off your mortar and pestle. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, so prepare your taste buds for an epic flavor journey. Let's kick things off with a spice that's making a comeback, grains of paradise. This West African spice, also known as alligator pepper, packs a punch. Imagine a peppery bite with hints of citrus and ginger. That's grains of paradise. Historically, it was a prized ingredient in medieval European cuisine, often used in place of black pepper, which was far more expensive at the time. Grains of paradise were so valuable that they were even used as currency in some parts of Africa. Can you imagine trading spices for goods? Talk about a flavorful economy. These days you'll find grains of paradise popping up in craft beers, artisanal chocolates, and even cocktails. Its complex flavor profile adds a unique twist to both sweet and savory dishes. Next up we have long pepper, a spice that's been around for centuries. This relative of black pepper has a similar heat, but with a more complex, slightly sweeter flavor. Imagine black pepper with hints of cinnamon and nutmeg. That's long pepper in a nutshell. It was a staple in ancient Roman and Indian cuisine, used in everything from savory stews to sweet desserts. Long pepper was also highly valued for its medicinal properties. It was used to treat digestive issues, respiratory ailments, and even snake bites. While its medicinal use has declined, long pepper is slowly finding its way back into modern kitchens. Its unique flavor profile pairs well with grilled meats, roasted vegetables, and even fruit salads. The enigmatic asafoetida, a culinary comeback? Now let's talk about a spice that's not for the faint of heart. Asafoetida. This pungent spice, also known as hing, has a strong sulfurous aroma that's often compared to, well, let's just say it's an acquired taste. But don't let the smell scare you away. Asafoetida is a culinary powerhouse used extensively in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Asafoetida has a unique ability to add a savory depth to dishes, particularly lentil stews, vegetable curries, and bean dishes. It's also said to aid digestion, which might explain its popularity in cuisines known for their rich, flavorful dishes. While it's not a spice you'd likely use on its own, a pinch of asafoetida can add a layer of complexity and depth to your cooking that's hard to replicate. Rediscovering flavor. Embark on a culinary adventure. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of forgotten spices. These culinary treasures, once lost to time, are ripe for rediscovery. From the peppery bite of grains of paradise to the pungent aroma of asafoetida, these spices offer a chance to expand our culinary horizons and add unique dimensions to our cooking. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start by incorporating small amounts of these spices into your favorite dishes. Try grains of paradise in your next batch of cookies. or sprinkle some long pepper on your next steak. And if you're feeling adventurous, give asafoetida a try in your next lentil soup. You might just discover your new favourite flavour. Remember, cooking is all about exploration and discovery. So, go forth, experiment, and rediscover the forgotten flavours of the world. That's a wrap for today. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hey, drop a comment below, letting me know which spices you love to use. Thank you for watching.